Back from work, did groceries, going to set it up. Can you guys see? It's all white, super duper white. Nice. Made rice. This is our lunch for work. Look at this weather, guys. How fascinating it is. Back from work, did groceries, going to set it up. It is Wednesday today, and it was super duper cold in the morning, but after afternoon it got better. So anyways, let's set up the groceries and cook something for lunch tomorrow. Coffee, chocolates. Nice. Making dal and aloo kaddu. And I'm going to make what you call ambri chutney. Sanjay's making salad. So my aloo kaddu is ready. You sent me these and I love it. This is homemade dessert, homemade cookie. I'm following Sanjay. He's making way out for me. Okay, now this is the trickiest part. So we have just got our new tulsi plants, basil plants. This is called the holistic plants in our Hinduism religion, and they sent it super nicely. Yeah. Actually, we have pots and we have soil as well, no, Sanjay? Alpha, beta, and gamma. So yeah, we like to name everybody in the house. Super nice weather. Even though it's minus 30, but it feels really nice. It's not cold. That's Sanjay. Time is 9:30. We just woke up after a nice long sleep. We cannot call it nap because it was literally a nice long sleep. We went to sleep around 5:30 p.m. or 6 p.m. Around 6 p.m. Yeah. 6 p.m. And we woke up at 9 p.m. and enjoying our black coffee. And it's 1:20. having papaya. That's Sanjay. Okay, so this is our lunch. These are buns. Seekh kebab. How beautiful it is today. The time is 4 or 5. That's Sanjay. This is beautiful, sunny, shiny day. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey guys, so Sanjay just got me this. I know it is cheesy, but I love to get flowers on Valentine's Day, right, Sanjay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go home. And this is my Valentine's Day gift that Sanjay gave me. And I love pearls. This is 14 karat gold and I can use it at work. Nice. So just made key, and this is our favorite time of the day, the golden hour. Golden key. That's Sanjay. So we are making choorma. Nice. Looks yum. Thank you, Babu.
Thank you.
Sun is set. Now we are going to enjoy this bajri choorma. We got some treats. It's a stuffed bagel pan. What are we celebrating, Sanjay?
Your P.Eng license.
That's it, that's it. Cheers. So today I made a white chicken korma. The chana. Okay, and dinner we made raita, the salad, fish, and quinoa. Nice. That's Sanjay. And let's eat. So this is our late night snacks. Time is 10:05. We still need to pack that Christmas tree. We took a really nice nap. Long sleep for 3 hours, I mean. We went to sleep around 6 p.m. We came from work around 3:45 or so, and then we ate our lunch, and we went to sleep. We were not tired or anything, but it was a nice lunch, so we felt like sleeping. Now we are going to watch TV. It's been more than 5 days we didn't watch anything. They are almost ready. These are super healthy snacks.